OEM manufacturers need components they can rely on, power and lighting solutions that integrate seamlessly, perform in demanding environments, and arrive on time to keep production moving. KH Industries delivers industrial-grade power distribution and portable lighting built specifically for OEM equipment. Our products are engineered for integration, including retractable cord reels, outlet boxes, heavy-duty plugs and connectors, push-button pendant stations, and portable LED and hazardous location lighting. And when standard solutions aren't enough, our engineering team works directly with OEM partners to design custom configurations that fit perfectly within your equipment platform. We help evaluate mounting options, electrical requirements, cable management, durability needs, and safety compliance, simplifying the path from concept to production. With scalable manufacturing, consistent quality, and reliable lead times, KH Industries supports OEM production runs with the dependable supply manufacturers need. The result? Equipment built to perform in real-world environments, from manufacturing floors to mobile service units. Contact our technical sales team today and let's build the right power solution for your equipment.